The following message is transmitted by the request of the Orlando Police Department. All career, I repeat, all career, Mickey Mouse.EXE has successfully been murdered. A citizen ran up to Mickey Mouse.EXE and stabbed him with a knife. When he dies, all of his clones also disappeared. You are now free to leave your shelter. However, there is mass damage in Orlando that may take months or even years to repair. We regret to thank the citizen who killed Mickey Mouse.EXE. Normal programming may now resume.